It's finally here. I have literally been waiting for this package for forever. Oh, I want to get into it so bad. I did actually get into this package beforehand just to make sure everything was okay and that the water didn't seep in through because, oh man, when this boy arrived this morning, whew, post office had a nice run with it. Let's see what's up. What did you get today? And it's, oh, they're like sitting on top of each other. Okay. Thanks a lot. Well, the hope that these guys are gonna work has extremely gone down. Can't hold the phone and plug them in at the same time. It's just not gonna work. All right, you're gonna get the first few. Okay, that's good. That's good. Give us a good hard drive. Give us a good hard drive. Come on, I can't hear it because I got the fan exporting stuff. Did it just boot loop? Oh, that's not good. All right, let's see if we take the cable out. What? Oh, did it give us? Nope. Let's see what happens when we take the cable out. Oh, yep. Oh, he's down for the count. All right, let's try the next one. All right, he comes on right away. All right. Oh, oh, she works, mate. Backlight. Oh man, she works. Let's see what we got on here. All right. They were an artist person. Okay. This is it. You're telling me you bought a 20 gig iPod just to house 37 songs. Why? All right, this guy's a noisy mother trucker. Oh, I hope it's brand new under there because that would be kind of cool, but these are both 20 gigs. Let's see what happens if we do the shakies. Shake, among us, shake, among us, shake, among us, shake, among us. Oh. Oh, disc mode works. Oh. Interesting. Well, the turns have tabled. I think this guy might be a good drive. He just needs a better pod, mate. We're gonna be sticking this drive and this boy right here, mate. Ooh. Ah, yes. The 3G. One of my favorite iPod classics of all time. We got the little buttons here that do all the magic for us, and these are all capacitative. Where on Dave, mate, you know, you got your clicker buttons, but on this boy, it's just the nice ones. And this is my favorite one. 15 gig came out a little bit later, but hey, it's got a beautiful back. It's got a beautiful front. Barely any scratches. Where these boys, you know, they got the deep cuts. Like, oh, just look at that right there. Super scratched up. We're gonna give that guy more power. And so we're going to be opening up the 3G. So this guy's being kind of weird. I charged him fully last night just in case he was a Dave, and just the battery was causing problems with the hard drive. I don't really know what the problem is. I feel like it's the hard drive because, like, hard drives, they do a bunch of weird stuff. You know, Dave, if the battery is too low on him, he doesn't want to turn on properly. They can be a little finicky sometimes and have freakouts. But the weird thing is that this is probably a motherboard problem. I can get him in disk mode, but the computer doesn't see that it's in disk mode. And then they would keep the... Whoa, he's turning back on again. Okay, we'll just... This guy's a good driver. I don't want to harm him. Yeah. He's safe now. Safe. But, like, do people actually only put just a little bit of songs on these things and then just call it a day? I don't understand it. You should have just gotten the 10 gig, mate. Whatever. We're gloving up because you got to go into one of these pods. Oh, and by the way, if no one buys the 6th gen that I'm trying to sell that I got in that other video, oh, will you glove up? that thing doesn't get sold, I will be doing a case mod on it because the 6th gens are really kind of funny. You can only put 128 gigs in a 6th gen, but you can put 256 gigs in a mini that came out 4 years later. I don't know why. And then with the 7th gen, you can put 2 terabytes in it from what ThinkPods has showed us. I don't know why the 6th gens are only limited to 128, but that's just what they like to do. And if it doesn't sell, do a case mod because then it will sell better. Because apparently people don't like spending a lot of money on 6th gens. So first, we're going to do our little incision around the edge to kind of release the plastic. She opening up real easily, but no one's been in here yet. Oh, come on, do the little bendy. Oh, she's presenting. He's presenting. Oh, we can't do the rip and the grip yet. Oh, just release it. Just release it. Okay, there we go, matey. Okay, come on. Oh. Oh, we gotta zoom in a bit so you guys can see. Okay, so let me just get the other side. Okay, thank you, mate. Oh, without breaking it. Come on, just give it to me. Just get. No. God damn it. All right. Well, this is broken now. That's great. Let's hope this is in the unlocked position, which it is, thank God, because, dang it. And yes, I am talking about 3Gs because I am an iPhone dude first. So when I say 3Gs, I mean the 3G Classic, not the 3G phone, because we're obviously not working on a phone here because this is an iPod. But that sucks. Ah. Now I gotta find a replacement. Okay, it popped. We got a pop. Okay, perfect. And we are not gonna break it this time. Okay. Whoa. That is a replacement, boy. That is on the rock. Oh, I think I might have broken it before we even got into it. It's too rough and aggressive. Okay, so we're going under it. And you just gotta do the wigglers, which I was trying to do on the other one, but oh. Stop making noise. I think I'm breaking this guy. Oh! The battery's stuck to the dingus. Oh, that battery was putting up. Sorry. Wait. Give me my driveway. Oh, and this is a good boy. That's a good boy. All right. Now we're gonna take a look at the bad drive. Oh, let's disconnect the battery. Yeah, that's a good idea. Before we start taking things out, we want to disconnect the battery. Hey, don't you resist me. I am your father. You will obey my commands or else. No playtime with friends, no dessert after dinner. I don't care anymore. The drive's coming out. I'm done. This might be a good drive. Okay. And we're going to do that. That's why you always keep your pods unlocked when you do this. You never know what you're going to screw up. I let it boot natural. Natural boot. That's good. Well then, give me this. I'm not having the, oh, wait. And you can see that L. Bailey's iPad has 37 songs. Okay, so we know this guy's a good boy. So now this guy is a bad drive. So we have a bad drive. We have a bad chassis because I broke it. So why don't we test the bad drive and the good boy? That is a bad drive. This drive is a bad drive, which sucks. Because, you hope they're both good so you can both resell them. But that is a bad drive, man. Wait a minute. Hold up. Before we do anything, I don't like that this guy... Why am I doing this? Okay. I don't even need to do this. Because that guy's battery works really well. And I already have a working 3G that can just become my daily driver. Yeah, let's just put this guy back together.